Okay guys, welcome to the Introduction to Professional Level Trading, the IPLT video series. So, you've probably been around the block in the retail trading infrastructure and you've ended up here. Why have you ended up here? Well, there's many reasons. Many of you will be coming into this as a blank slate, so you've never traded before. But most of you will actually be coming into the IPLT video series with some sort of experience in the retail trading infrastructure, whether that be day trading, investing, opening retirement accounts and taking positions in publicly traded assets. Regardless, if you've had some experience in the past, you've either lost money as a retail trader or you've made money as a retail trader. The problem is, we know factually that most retail traders, so people who actually physically open retail trading accounts, not retirement or investing accounts, but trading accounts, the vast majority, over 90%, will always lose money and actually always blow up. So, if you're coming into this with a blank slate, that's different. If you're coming into it with some sort of what you would call experience, that's a different kettle of fish as well. So, if you're coming in with some sort of what you would call experience, you've either lost money or made money. The problem is most people watching this now as retail traders who have experienced the retail trading infrastructure will be coming into this having lost money. Okay, does that mean it's the end of the world? No. You've arrived here and we're going to show you now from a professional trading perspective why you've lost money, why retail traders actually lose money consistently and blow up all the time in financial markets. But we're not just going to show you that. Obviously, we're going to set you on the pathway to actually understanding how pros do it, how pros approach the financial markets and what our objectives are. And they are totally different to retail traders. There's huge misconceptions out there in the retail trading industry as to what professional traders actually do, what their objectives are, and what their results actually are. So, the IPLT video series splits into three main parts. What we're going to look at first, we're going to look at, number one, the differences between professional traders and retail traders. Secondly, we're going to be looking at understanding the landscape of the industry. And there is an overlap between number one and number two. When we look at the differences between professional and retail traders, naturally, by default, we are going to learn about the landscape of the industry. Now, why is that so important to learn the landscape of the industry? Well, you simply cannot make any progress in the trading industry and in the retail trading infrastructure unless you understand the industry that you're operating in. You just can't make progress. You will go round in circles and never actually get good at trading financial markets unless you understand the infrastructure. And number three of the IPLT video series, and probably the most important thing, once you've learned the differences between pro and retail traders, and you have a good understanding and appreciation of the industry and how to set yourself up for success, the most important thing is understanding volatility. Yes, understanding volatility of financial markets and financial assets. Why is that so important? Well, it's simple. If you understand volatility of financial markets and financial assets, you understand where to position yourself for long-term, consistent success. The magic word there, guys, is consistent or consistency. That's what we're setting ourselves up for. Okay, so 3 main parts of the IPLT video series that we're going to be covering. Pro traders versus retail traders. Understanding the industry, understanding the landscape so we can make progress, and understanding volatility so we can build a strategy around volatility that provides us with long-term consistent success. So guys, let's get started with video number 1, professional traders versus retail traders 101.